In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy VOO inside of Robinhood. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to find Robinhood inside of it. Once you get inside of Robinhood, you'll need to sign into your account. And once you're done that, you'll need to go down to the search bar down here. Once you're inside of the search bar, you'll need to click over to ETFs and then go up to the search bar and click VOO. Like so. Then from here, you'll be able to see the Vanguard S&P 500 S&P, and you'll need to click on that. Once you get inside of this, you'll see the chart of VOO. You can also see on the top left corner that it is VOO right beside the token option. But from here, you'll just need to click buy. And then from here, you'll be able to either make a buy order or limit order, and you can also buy in quantity. And you can also do by clicking here, choose frequency, where you can add one time every day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. From here, you'll just need to add in how much you want to pay for the specific stock. And from here, once you get inside of this page right here, you'll see the estimated price, you'll see the FX price, and the estimated total cost. From here, you'll just need to swipe up to submit, and then your position will be active until the position gets filled, and then you will have your VOO inside of your portfolio that you can check right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!